is Steve. I'm at the academy. I just came out of the gym. Thought I'd take a couple pictures of the snow. This is probably our last big snowstorm for the spring, for the whole winter. And this is up at the Air Force Academy, probably, I don't know, 7,300 feet or so. Nice dry snow. And we'll probably get about another foot of snow up here. What was really messed up yesterday is like 65 degrees here. Now it's about 25 according to my car. So, yeah, pretty big drop in temperature. Not going to get a lot warmer here today. But that's cool. It's spring. Or tomorrow's spring, first day of spring. Okay, cut around. See you later.